It's April 10th, 2021. We had a snowstorm last night, so I'm going to go check on the greenhouse. Inside this greenhouse, we've made some hotbeds. I'll just step forward. Here we have some plants that were put in direct seed about 2 weeks ago. And they're coming up. The rocks are put in there as thermal mass so that at night slowly releases the heat. Here in the north, we're always looking at ways to reduce our energy costs, because let's be real, we have to heat our homes or we'll die. Currently it's minus 13 degrees Celsius outside, and inside that little hot box it's 10 degrees Celsius. And back here, when we first came in, you would have noticed we repurposed some windows. And that'll be the next area that we plant. May look a little messy to you, but to be quite honest, once we get our harvest out, winter comes fast and furious, and you can't be working in here anymore. Not for a while. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. Remember, use what you have, do what you can.